Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got a 2017 Hyundai Tucson. So I'll be just doing maintenance on this one. I replaced the spark plug. We're gonna do an oil pan repair, so I have to remove the oil pan and a transmission fluid replacement. Right? So yeah, here's our spark plug part numbers there. I got my ultra gray there, and then our transmission fluid. So I'm just gonna divide this into three parts. We're gonna do a quickest one, spark plug replacement. Then we'll do the oil pan, so that while it's drying up the gasket, we can do the transmission fluid replacement. So yeah, we're gonna start with the spark plug and let's get into it. Okay, so first we're gonna remove our ignition coils. You don't have to remove the whole coil from the harness or the connections. Just put it aside. Oops. And for number 4, since there's a fuel line here, so I just use a quarter 10 mm. It's thinner, right? And then you just have to remove this in an angle. And this side here, I think best way is to remove the connection here from the ignition coil. Move this a little bit. Move this guy here. Move your locking plastic here for fuel line. There you go. So just put it aside. Now let's remove our spark plugs. So we use a 5/8 socket. Okay, so here's our old spark plugs here. I can see some, due to mileage and time, it's a little bit worn out. Normal wear, right? Compared to our new one here, we got a nice decent gap there. So just compare them, especially before you install everything. As I said, every time I do the spark plug, make sure your threads are the same, right? Your gap on new ones are almost the same, right? So we're gonna install our new ones now. don't drop your spark plug. It's either you use as you've seen with my videos, like hose, right? Or if you have a spark plug with a rubber tip on it, or a rubber holder inside. And then hand tight it first, or use your hand to screw in first few threads, and then we can use our gun, just snug it, because we're gonna torque that to spec. So the torque spec for this is 18 foot-pounds, 18.5. So you just torque your spark plug now. Okay, so that's done. Now we're gonna install our ignition coil. Don't forget your connector for cylinder number 4 ignition coil. So don't forget your line that you move, and also this locking tab. You can use a needle nose pliers here just to lock it, right? There you go, that's lock. Okay, that's it. So that's how you replace a spark plug on a 2017 Hyundai Tucson